What's up, Internet Paydays family? Today, we're diving into something that's literally changing lives every single day. Want to turn your TikTok into a cash machine? In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to promote and sell digital products on TikTok. Even if you don't have a big following, even if you've never sold anything online before, and even if you think you're too late to the game. The best part? You don't have to dance, you don't need to go viral, and you definitely don't need to become internet famous. What you really need is a valuable product, consistent posting, and a smart strategy that gets your content in front of the right people. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share some specific examples you can literally copy-paste to get started this week. Plus, I'll reveal the biggest mistake that kills 90% of people's TikTok money-making dreams before they even begin. Why TikTok is the goldmine. TikTok isn't just a place for funny videos and trends anymore. It's quietly become one of the most powerful platforms for grabbing attention and converting that attention into cold, hard cash. About 40% of these successful creators didn't even create their own products. They're making money as affiliates, promoting someone else's digital products, and earning 30 to 50% commissions on every sale. Digital products that sell. Okay, so what should you actually sell? This is where most people get stuck, so I'm going to break it down into two clear paths. Path 1, create your own digital products. Path 2, promote someone else's as an affiliate. Let me start with Path 1, creating your own stuff. And before you say I'm not creative or I don't know how to make anything, let me stop you right there. Easy starter products that anyone can make, planners and templates. You can literally make these in Canva with zero design experience. I'm talking about Instagram story template packs, daily productivity planners, budget tracking sheets, and workout log templates. People are selling these for $5 to $30 each, and they take maybe 2 to 3 hours to create. Ebooks and mini guides. Here's a secret: use ChatGPT to help write guides like 10 simple fitness routines for busy moms, complete beginner's guide to freelancing, or 30-day social media strategy. Keep them short, 15 to 30 pages, actionable and focused on solving one specific problem. Notion dashboards. These are absolutely exploding on TikTok right now. Things like habit trackers, business planning dashboards, student productivity systems, or budget management kits. People pay $10 to $50 for a well-organized Notion template. Resource bundles. This is my favorite for beginners. You curate existing free resources into valuable packages, like a 30-day content creation kit with templates, prompts, and strategies, or a marketing swipe file with proven email templates and ad copy. Now, Path 2, affiliate marketing is perfect if you want to start making money today without creating anything. Platforms like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Commission Junction have thousands of digital products you can promote. Find something in your niche: fitness, business, parenting, productivity. Grab your unique affiliate link and start sharing. Here's the beautiful thing about digital products. You create them once, and they can sell hundreds or thousands of times with zero additional work. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches, pure profit. The essential toolkit. All right, let's talk tools. I know some of you are thinking this sounds complicated, but I'm about to show you that you can literally start this with free tools and maybe $20 in total investment. Your TikTok money-making toolkit, Canva. This is your design powerhouse: templates, graphics, even video editing. If you only learn one tool, make it Canva. ChatGPT, your content creation assistant. Write product descriptions, video captions, even entire ebooks. I use it for 80% of my content brainstorming. Selling platforms, Gumroad. My personal favorite: clean, simple, handles payments automatically. Etsy, great for planners and printables, built-in audience. Pay-hip, super affordable, good for beginners. Shopify, if you're serious about scaling up. The content strategy that works. Now let's talk strategy, because this is where the magic happens. I'm about to give you my exact 3 post per day formula that's generated over $15,000 in sales for me in the past 2 months. The 3 post formula. Post number 1, problem or pain point video. This is where you highlight a common struggle your target audience faces. For examples, you keep starting budgets but never stick to them. Post number 2, solution or tutorial video. Now you swoop in as the helpful friend with the solution. For examples, here's the budget template that finally made it stick for me. Monetization strategies. Let's talk about the money part, because that's why we're all here, right? You have several ways to turn your TikTok presence into actual income. Strategy number 1, direct product sales. Upload your digital products to Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify. Keep 95% of the sale, minus payment processing fees. This is where the real money is long-term. Strategy number 2, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products for 30 to 60% commission. Zero creation time, start earning immediately. Best places to find products. ClickBank, digital products. Share a sale, broad selection. Impact, high-quality brands. Direct partnerships with creators you follow. Strategy number 3, lead magnets to email lists. Offer something free to collect email addresses, then promote paid products to your list. Strategy number 4, cross-promotion partnerships. Team up with other creators in your niche. Hey, I'll promote your budget course to my audience if you promote my meal planning templates to yours. Instant audience expansion. Strategy number 5, TikTok's own monetization. Creator Fund, pays pennies, but it's something. TikTok Shop, selling products directly in-app. Live gifting, viewers send virtual gifts during live streams. Here's what most people get wrong. They try to do everything at once. Pick one strategy, master it, then add others. I started with affiliate marketing, made $3,000, then invested that into creating my own products. The income scaling path. Month 1 to 2, affiliate marketing, aiming for $500 to $1,000. Month 3 to 4, launch your first digital product, target $2,000. Month 5 to 6, scale successful products, add email marketing, aim for $5,000 plus. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let me save you months of frustration by sharing the biggest mistakes I see people make. Mistake number 1, trying to go viral instead of providing value. Stop chasing trends and dances. Your audience doesn't follow you for entertainment. They follow you for solutions. One valuable video that gets 500 views from your ideal audience is worth more than a viral dance that gets 100,000 views from random people. Mistake number 2, pitching too hard, too fast. I see people posting, "buy my product," with zero relationship building. Would you buy from a stranger who walked up to you on the street? Build trust first. Help people first. Sales come naturally after that. Mistake number 3, inconsistent posting. Posting once a week won't cut it. TikTok rewards consistency. The algorithm needs data points to understand your content and audience. Aim for at least once daily, but 3 times daily is the sweet spot. Action plan and next steps. All right, you've got the strategy. You've seen the examples. You know the tools. Now let's turn this into action. Your 7-day TikTok money challenge. Day 1, choose your niche and research top creators. Day 2, set up your tools, Canva, selling platform, CapCut. Day 3, create your first digital product or find affiliate products. Day 4, film your first 3 videos using the formula. Day 5, post your first video, engage with similar creators. Day 6, post video number 2, start building your email list. Day 7, post video number 3, analyze performance, plan week 2. Remember, everyone you saw in those case studies started exactly where you are right now. 0 followers, 0 sales, 0 experience. The only difference between them and everyone else who's still watching from the sidelines? They started. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Internet Paydays. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. It seriously helps more people discover these strategies.